ingaba ukuthiwa xha kokusebenza kwesitishi esidiyela amandla ombane ngamalahle kwakusisigqibo esilungileyo na? Impendulo zalo mbuzo ziyakhabana.
The role of power stations as catalyst for change, for growth, for development through electricity provision. My sense is that moving forward, we should be looking at doing a before and after socio-economic footprint, because then we can quantify the before and after picture better.
iKomishoni kaMengameli ejongene nemiba yokuguquguquka kweemeko zemozulu iphezu kwalo mba.
You can't decommission first and then think of jobs later. Decommission first and then consult with people later. You need to engage in a thorough process where you bring on board alternative activities first, and then when you've covered the issues of the community, then you can think about decommissioning.
Waza nengxelo kwiindaba zethu kuChannel 163 oziphathelwe yiNewsroom Africa, ndinguZiniko Mhlaba, eRhawutini.